Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this makeup look. It's like a burgundy shimmery eyeshadow. So to achieve this look I used the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. Honestly, I said it in my previous video, this palette is the bomb. If you guys haven't got your hands on this palette, you guys really should, because it's bomb. Like, this is like my favorite palette of 2019, hands down. And yeah, so you guys want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. You guys are really gonna see me go from 0 to 100 real quick. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. We're gonna go in with Honest Truth right here. That eyeshadow is gonna be our transition color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this color and it's called Calabasas. And we're gonna fucking put some in my face. Are you fucking serious? And you're just gonna focus that color on the corner of your eyes. I'm gonna just go in with the transition color and just blend it in a little bit more. So now we're gonna go in with this module and it's like a darker purple burgundy. You're just gonna apply that in the center of the eyelid. Just press the color on your eyelid. Go in again and blend it out with the transition color. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. As you guys can tell, I have no fallout look, so I'm just gonna go in with a dark brown and just intensify just a little bit. I'm just gonna focus it right here. So this is what we have. This one needs to get blended more. Okay, so I just cut my crease on this eye, so I'm just gonna do this one on camera. Should I do this one? It's actually calling my name. This one, or should I do 2, which is this nice shimmery pink, or should I do Millions, which is this gold? These are my favorite makeup remover wipes. They remove everything off, and I've tried plenty makeup remover wipes and they all suck. I always come back to Neutrogena. Just blend this color in with the shimmery glitter. Focus, pocus. So I'm just gonna do my eyeliner and we're basically done with the eyes. I'll be back. This is how it looks like with the eyeliner. So I'm just gonna put my lashes on, do my hair and change, and I'll be back for the final look. Alrighty, so I am back. This is the final look. Let me zoom in so you guys can see all the details. For my lips, I'm using the MAC lip liner Strip Down, and then I'm using my favorite nude lipstick in Milani, and this is in the color Adorable. It's so freaking pretty and I feel like the combo is perfect, so I'm so happy. Honestly, MAC lip liners are so bomb. I never really owned one and I just went like last week to the mall with my friend and they had like a 15% sale, so I ended up getting 3 lip liners. I got Teddy, World, and Strip Down because I've heard so many good things about this. It was kind of pricey for a lip liner, and I just straightened my hair because whenever I have a lot going on in my face, I like to notch it down with like straight hair or something. I'm using natural lighting. Let me know if you guys like this lighting. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.